Hi, and thanks for joining me today. This is Mike with Designs by M, and today I'm going to bring you a project that I did as a design team member for Simply Crafty SVGs. Today I created the Happy Valentine's bag. This would be a really good bag to put some small treats in or a small little gift, and it's really easy to assemble. I will put the link in the description where you can purchase this file. Again, it is from Simply Crafty SVGs. So let's get started. Alright, so here I have my pieces cut out, and as you can see there's not very many pieces to this project. There's two pattern pieces. You can cut another rectangle if you wanted to cover the back piece. I did not in this case. I went ahead and I pre-assembled my Happy Valentine as well as the lips and heart, because I did add a little bit of Wink of Stella on them and some glossy accents that I needed to dry, which gave it a really nice glossy finish. So now all I need to do is go ahead and fold the bag. For the most part, everything is going to have a mountain fold. The side folds are going to fold in as a valley, pretty much like a regular bag would. So I'm going to go ahead and fold those together. And like I said, this really makes a good small bag. You can mass produce these. It doesn't take a whole lot of paper. It'd be really cute for like a child's class or anything where you need to give a lot of little gift bags to, and it holds treats really well. So I'm going to go ahead and add my rectangle down. I'm going to do this while it is flat. It is much easier. And then I will go ahead and add the embellishment or the pattern piece for the flat. That will go on top. As you can see, I did pre-tie some twine around a button that I will add to that later. So again, while my project is flat, I'm going to go ahead and add the additional elements. So I'm going to go ahead and pop up the sentiment that says Happy Valentine's, put that closer to the top, and then I'll go ahead and pop up the lips and the heart and put that down at the bottom. And now I just have to glue it together. So I added a little bit of glue to the tab, and then while it was flat I just folded that over so that I know I have a perfect square there, or rectangle. And then I just have to glue the bottom. So I'm going to put the big tab down first, glue the side tabs in. I flipped it over and pressed down from the inside as well, and then glue the second big tab down so that the base is finished. And again, I went and I pushed down from the inside, and really that is the end of the project. I creased the sides a little bit more. As you can see, those go in like a regular bag would, and the top folds down. If you wanted to secure the top, you could put a little piece of Velcro there, or maybe some two-way glue pen so it stays a little bit sticky so that you can open and close that. And then I went ahead and added my button. And again, you can make this as detailed or as plain as you like. As you can see from the final photos that I took, I did add a few sequins to the top left and the bottom right, but that's about it. This was a really quick and simple bag. I hope you give it a try. Again, if you would like to purchase this, I will leave the links in the description box below. Please don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe on my videos. I really appreciate it. And now on your screen is another video I think you would enjoy. Thanks and have a great day.